In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in Basecamp. We'll walk through how to turn on Basecamp's card table tool and set it up as a simple, visual Kanban board so you can track work as it moves from idea to done. First, open Basecamp and head into the specific project where you want to use Kanban. This is important because card tables are enabled per project, not across your entire account. Make sure you're inside the right project space before you continue, so the board you set up will actually be attached to that project's work and people. Once you're in the project, look toward the top of the page for the area where all of your project tools live. Here, you're going to look for either the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More Options, or a link that says Change Tools. Go ahead and click that. This is the section where you can turn different Basecamp tools on or off, depending on what your project needs. Inside this tools area, you'll see a list of possible tools you can add to the project. Among them, you should find something called Card Table. This is Basecamp's version of a Kanban board. Find Card Table in the list, then toggle it on for this project. After you enable it, you'll see it appear alongside your other project tools, ready to be opened and customized. Next, click into the Card Table. You'll see a set of columns that represent different stages of work. To really make this useful, you'll want to customize these columns so they match your team's workflow. Look for the cogwheel or settings icon in the card table view and click it. Here, you can rename existing columns to something that makes sense, like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. You can also add completely new columns if your process has more steps, and change the colors so it's easier to scan the board at a glance. This is also a great place to set up a dedicated triage or not now column. Think of this as a holding area for new or low priority tasks that you're not ready to schedule yet. By giving these tasks their own space, you avoid cluttering your main workflow with items that aren't truly active. Once your columns are laid out and named clearly, your Kanban board is ready. From here, you can start adding cards for tasks, dragging them across the columns as they move through your process, and keeping your entire team aligned on what's happening in the project.